Hello everyone and welcome back to another one of my YouTube videos. Today I am at a car show. Now in the car show I am at Martlesham Heath control tower. The control tower is a World War II control tower, I believe, I'm pretty sure. Obviously all the airfields and buildings are long gone now and housing estates have been built around, but the control tower is still in place. Now there may be patches in the video where I actually do talk, and there may be patches where I talk over the video later on in the editing. And that will be because they're playing music here, a bit loud. It's the only video. You can't really include it on the video, obviously due to copyright notices and stuff like that. I can't include obviously other people's music in my video without permission. And if I haven't got permission to put it in, so that's why I may talk over certain parts of the video. Anyway, so we're going to get on. I've not got too much battery in the car, so in the camera. So we'll have to see how long it lasts, but hopefully I can get most cars in the video. So let's get on with showing you around the little show here. Okay, so past my 190 here, which I brought to the show, onto this gorgeous 126. Okay, to show you along here as well, lovely selection of cars. Lovely section back just here. Got a Rover with a V8 engine. Does look quite like actually. All looked after. Very clean as well.
Hopefully they will be able to answer all of your questions.
And here we go over to the Mustang here. Has this hood open. Ooh, very nice. And nothing V8 engine as well. It's very clean. Again, it's just well looked after. That's just very nice.
Okay. 93, yeah, but cut on a case weight, yeah.
Okay, well, I hope you enjoy watching this video of this little car show here. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and like the video if you like, and subscribe. Really does help seeing the channel to grow. But it's been a great turnout, quite a lot of cars here. It's a good variety really. It's very nice. But once again, you've been on the drive, and I'll see you in my next video.